There aren't many contractors that I'd be more than willing to go out and tell people to use, but I got to say I'm so satisfied with the work I got from Kenneth Daniels Roofing that I promoted him to many people, and I sent as much business his way as possible. I'm Steve Barcelo. I'm a transplant to the town of Littleton. I've been living here about 7.5 years. I'm originally from up north where we don't have hail. We had some serious issues with leakage. I called in a bunch of different people. I got some prices, and with some of the contractors I got in, I wasn't feeling comfortable with what they were saying, and they couldn't even explain the process of reframing because we had some serious work to be done. I was able to find out about Kenneth Daniels Roofing purely by accident. He came by, I felt comfortable, he was obviously professional, and thank God. He mentioned insurance too, which I had no idea. So like I said, coming from up north, that insurance companies would even pay for the repair or part of it or any of it. I was blown away and kind of surprised. I mean, coming from up north where we have no hail. But the process went through smooth, it was effortless, they were quick, they did a really professional job. I've been very happy with them. They were a good crew, you're going to be happy.